So we should be happy as supporters of Peter Obi that he does not have such a structure, because those same, that is the structure they're talking about. Thuggery is the structure. Bribery is the structure. Snatching of ballot boxes are the structure. Coercion is the structure. Forcing people to do things that they'd rather not do and making them vote for people they'd rather not vote for. That is the structure. Now, and this is a structure that has been in place. This is not a structure. This is a problem. This is something that stemmed out of a bad government and corruption. This is something that stemmed out of poverty and lack of education of the Nigerian youth. It is not a structure. It is just that opportunity. And some people are taking advantage of that opportunity to decide how the country goes, right? So the only structure that Peter Obi needs is the people. That's all the structure that should matter. But with the way that Nigeria has been formed for the longest time, a lot of Nigerians don't even know what true governance is about. And they're assuming that thuggery, coercion, and snatching of ballot boxes and all of those things, they have now assumed that that is a structure. No, that is not a structure. That is in fact something that should be destroyed. That is in fact something that should be gone. That is in fact something that should not exist in any country that has future, that has a planned future for its youths and its followers and things like that. So it is a good thing that in the context of the typical Nigerian politician's mind, that Obi does not have such a structure. So we should be happy as supporters of Peter Obi that he does not have such a structure, because those same structures are the structures that turn young kids that have bright futures into cultists. That structure is the structure that pushes them into thuggery. That structure is the structure that makes them not educated. That terrible structure is the problem that we face as Nigerian youths today. So we don't want such a structure. And I, for one, will not vote for any politician who is selling me that concept of what a structure should be. So I would rather go for somebody who his legacy and his structure is his hard work. His legacy and his structure is the children that he has created education for. His legacy and his hard work is making sure that there are roads. His legacy and his structure is him having direct connection with every school prefect in secondary schools in Anambra State, and making sure that they can connect with him directly as regards the kind of problems that they have. His structure is providing meals, hot meals for kids in school. That is the structure that we deserve. And that is the kind of structure that we want. Not the other kind of structure that puts us on the streets, that cuts our lives short. Not the kind of structure that doesn't let us know what we're going to eat. Not the kind of structure that makes us scared of traveling. Not the kind of structure that makes us scared because our cars can break down in potholes that should have been fixed. Not those kind of structure. That's not structure. That is not structure. So we'd rather not have that structure. And we need to redefine in our heads as Nigerian youth what structure is going to be. And then we'll go from there.
TV.